Hey beautiful, it's your Jimmylee with the Just You YouTube show. I am so excited. Today we're going to talk about the 7 things that you must do before you get ready. So before you get all done up, as my mom would say, look like a fish dinner, you have to do these 7 things. So get ready, I'm going to show you. Number 1, what you want to do before you jump in the shower is shave. So if you're a man, you're going to put some hot cloths on your face. I always do it 3 times and I leave it on for like 10 seconds. If you're a woman, any little grooming you want to do before you get in the shower, it's important you do it so when you're in the shower, you are washing off anything, any extra hair that you want to be gone. So number 1 is do what you have to do shaving wise before you get into the shower. You'll like it. Number 2, guys, is lotion. You want to make sure you lotion your body from your neck down all the way to the bottom of your feet. So this would make your underwear, your socks, and your clothing feel and look better. It won't stick to you. You won't stick to it. If you don't lotion, you're not completely ready to go. Number 3 is, man or woman, what you want to do with your hair that's been towel dried, it's still damp, is put some kind of a band across your hair so you can concentrate on your face. You're going to sit down at a little desk or a little mirror or whatever you have and look at your face and see what lotions and potions it needs. And before you do any of that, you want to look over your face, trim the eyebrows, trim whatever you need to do. It's your time to look straight ahead. Focus on your face. So what I always do is I look at my eyebrows, I look at any extra hair that I don't like. That's when I trim it. So man or woman, we want to look at our face and we want to trim all the extra hair off. It's our moment. We're cleaned, we're shaved. Let's get all the little extra stuff off. Number 4, guys, is the lotions and potions that we put on our face. If you're a man, a lot of times it's like a toner or a light little lotion. If you're a female, you might do something a little heavier before you put on your makeup. It's important that we put something on our face before we put any bronzer or any makeup or anything. Our face has to be soft and ready to go. So I lotion my face at number 4 every day. Number 5, guys, is your face. You want to turn around and you have to have a little makeup on, men or women. Men, you're going to do some bronzer. So it's a little tanning cream lotion. All it does, it just hides any imperfections. It makes us not shine, and it kind of makes us look a little bit more youthful, trust me. And a woman, you're going to face it up. You're going to do your makeup from the top of your forehead all the way down to the bottom of your neck. And don't forget your ears. Do everything, make your face like nobody's business. Every day should be beautiful. There is a daytime face and obviously a nighttime face. That you need to know, but this is your time to do your face, so do it up. Number 6, the hair. Big hair, baby. You got to do big hair, but this is the time to take the band off and look at your hair. Now, if you have a band mark, sometimes that could happen if you're taking long to do your hair's starting to dry. You need to get a little spray bottle, a mister, just to mist your hair a little bit, to give it that little wet look. And then of course put your lotions, whatever you put in your hair. I have 2 different things I mix together. Obviously I mix it in my hands first so it gets it nice and warm and it kind of breaks it apart a little bit, and then I run it through my entire head and then I blow dry it. It's important to blow dry your hair completely. I would blow dry it on medium hot, and then in the end you're going to do cool, which is your cold air. If you have a button or if you have a switch, and the cold is just going to lock in everything. So the hair is one of the last things you do. Okay guys, number 7, cologne or perfume. You want to do a few sprays, one on my hair or on your hair, so it's in your head, so that it's kind of like when you move, the wind blows, people can smell it. Second one on the front of me, one on the back. So I'm spraying my body so you got me from every angle. A lot of people do it when the clothes are on them. No, no, no. Our body, we'll turn around and that's what makes the cologne smell special. Is the oils to our body, to the oils of the cologne. That combination is what makes us smell our best. So that's the last thing I do before I get dressed. Cologne, baby. Those are the 7 things you need to do before you get dressed. I do it every day. So if I'm doing something casual, or if I'm doing something fine dining, or if I'm doing this video, I make sure those 7 things are done so my clothes feel and look better on me. Most important thing to do is subscribe. You want to, because we're just starting off and I want you to be one of the first ones on board. You also want to hit that little bell button. So in other words, anytime that we come up with a new video, you'll be the first to know. And of course, give me thumbs up if you like it. I'm just learning. So this is a whole new game for me. But what's not new is fashion. And that's what I'm going to concentrate on with you. Fashion from the outside, and one of the most important things, fashion from the in. I'm going to teach you and show you how if you love yourself, no matter what you put on, it's going to look better.